Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is All Summer Beauty Hydrangea in 2 minutes. All Summer Beauty Hydrangea is the bloomingest hydrangea I've ever had. It's a remontant variety. It blooms on old and new wood. This one bloomed, I put it in last May. It bloomed from May all the way until November, which was really amazing. It has so many flowers on it right now that they're kind of undersized. They're all stealing energy from one another. These are going to be blue or pink depending on your soil pH, and that can be manipulated. I have a clay-based acidic soil in my area, and so most of the hydrangeas in my area are always going to be some version of blue like this. Deer eat these to the ground. They don't get a lot of other pest issues than that. This is a part shade plant. It grows in zone 5 to 9. It's kind of difficult in zone like 7B, 8, and 9 to find a place to put these because they do quite a bit of afternoon wilting in this extreme heat. But they do need good bright light. It's a part shade plant, but it needs bright light. So keep that in mind. I don't mind that little bit of afternoon wilting on it. I ignore it. This one was wilting yesterday afternoon. It perked right back up this morning. If it's extreme, you may need to move it into a little bit more shade than you have it in. I wouldn't worry at all about pulling it out and doing that. These can be fertilized in the late winter. Do not prune it during the winter though. Fertilize it in the late winter. Wait till it does one round of flowering, and then you can go and shape it up if you need to. And then this one, being a remontant variety, will start to put on new buds and bloom later in the summer. This one actually gets a pretty good yellow fall color on it. Hydrangeas typically don't offer a whole lot of fall color, but this one has pretty nice yellow fall color. And I think that's pretty much it. This is super low maintenance. It's going to get 4 to 5 feet wide and tall. I would put it in a space that you can allow it to get that big so you don't have to do a whole lot of pruning on it. Other than that, pretty easy plant, a lot of color throughout the entire growing season. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.